Hello, friends! We're going to the pet shop. Okay, friends, so today is day 17 of our water study. Now, we're going to pretend like we're going to the pet store. And we are going to talk about some things that live in the water. And let me find the words here. So here's our word here, aquatic, or aquatico. And that just means that they live in the water. Now, they can live partially in the water, like sometimes, and part out of the water sometimes, and still be an aquatic animal. Now, if you were to go to the pet store, you probably would think about some supplies like this water bowl, this food bowl, and maybe one of these, a dog leash to take your dog on a walk. But today we're going to talk about the aquatic animals. So the first I have here is called a mystery snail. Now, snails are really cool to have in your fish tank because they kind of keep the tank clean. They kind of just glide along and suck up all the yucky stuff in your tank, and they'll go along the plants or other decorations that you have in your tank and kind of clean them as well. So that's the mystery snail. Then we have, let's see here, this little guy, his little crab. Some of you might have what we call hermit crabs, and they don't need as much water. Like, they need water, but they don't live in the water. This little guy lives more in the water. So I'm not sure, how they're different, but they are. Then we have this guy, the African frog. And he lives in the water. You can see his webbed feet here to help him swim in the water. See what else we have. This one's really cool. This is a yellow clown goby. And this is coral that he's kind of trying to hide in or blend in with. Kind of almost like a camouflage. So that's the yellow clown goby. Then on this side, we have some neon tetrafish. They're really pretty little fish. And of course, they live in water. Now, the thing about fish that you need to know, and the reason that they need water, is because they have gills. They don't have lungs like we do when we breathe in the air. They get their oxygen from the water. So, real technical on you here, H2O, the O stands for oxygen. So, that's what water, the chemical name for water is H2O. And the O stands for oxygen. So the fish get their oxygen from the water by passing over the gills that are in their body. And that's how they breathe. So very scientific there for you. And here we have some little aquatic turtles. Aren't they cute? Little baby turtles. And last but not least, these guys are really cool. I've always loved seahorses, but these are called dwarf seahorses. So you've got one here, and then there's another one hiding right there. So those are the little baby dwarf seahorses. So if you are interested in any kind of aquatic pet, I would recommend you go to your pet store and talk to the pet shop employees. Maybe do some research about how, what kind of home they need, what kind of care they need, all those good things, how to take care of it before you go and get one, just so you can make sure that it's something that you can handle and you can enjoy it and not be frustrated by the amount of care that the pet might need, and also so the pet can live a good long life. So today's word again was aquatic, or in Spanish, aquatico, and that means to live in water. So next time you go to the pet store, check out those animals that live in water, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.